Morning students. Last class we were saying about the topic in biology, circulatory system and reproductive system. Okay. The today class, last class we were saying about the topic respiratory system. In today class we were saying about the next topic circulatory system and reproductive system. What is the meaning of circulatory system? The circulatory system is formed of blood vessels and heart. Okay. In the circulatory system is formed of blood vessels and heart. Okay. Next one, the heart is pear-shaped and lies in the thoracic cavity. Heart is pear-shaped. Where is it located? It lies in the thoracic cavity in between the lungs. Okay, where is it located? In between the lungs. Okay, so the heart is pear-shaped. Okay, where is it located? It's lying in the thoracic cavity. What is the meaning of thoracic cavity? In chest region, is in between the lungs. Okay, the heart is covered by pericardium. What is pericardium? Pericardium is a double membrane. Heart is covered by pericardium. What is pericardium? Pericardium is a double membrane. Double membrane layer is called pericardium. Okay, and lungs is covered by pleura and heart is covered by pericardium. It's a double membrane. Heart is 4 chamber. How many chamber in rabbit? Rabbit heart 4 chamber. Heart 4 chamber. Okay, the first one 2 auricle and 2 ventricle. Okay, 2 auricle and 2 ventricle. Okay, heart is how many chamber? The 4 chamber, 2 auricle and 2 ventricle. First we see that one by one. First one, right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle and left ventricle. Okay, the first one, the right and left auricle. Right auricle and left auricle is present. What is right auricle? This is right auricle. This is left auricle. The right auricle and left auricle is separated by interauricular septum. Okay, the right auricle and left auricles separated by interauricular septum. Interauricular septum. Okay, so next one, the right ventricle and left ventricle is separated by interventricular septum. Okay, next, right ventricle and left ventricle is separated by interventricular septum. Interventricular septum. Okay, so this is right auricle, this is left auricle. The right auricle and left auricle is separated by interauricular septum. This is right ventricle, this is left ventricle. The 2 ventricles are separated by interventricular septum is present in between the ventricles. Okay, next one, the right auricle open to the right ventricle is guarded by tricuspid wall. Next one, the right auricle open to the right ventricle. Right auricle open to the right ventricle is guarded by tricuspid wall. What? Tricuspid wall. Okay, it is very, very important. Okay, the right auricle open to the right ventricle. It is guarded by tricuspid wall. Okay, Tamil மூவிதழ் வால்வுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. The next one, the right ventricle is next one, the left auricle open to the left ventricle. Next, left auricle open to the left ventricle. What is left auricle? This is left auricle. left auricle open to the left ventricle. It is guarded by bicuspid valve. Okay, it is guarded by bicuspid valve or mitral valve or mitral valve. Mitral valve. Okay. So it is very, the differentiation is very, important, student. The right auricle open to the right ventricle. It is guarded by tricuspid valve. Okay. Tricuspid valve. Next one. The left auricle open to the left ventricle is guarded by mitral valve or bicuspid valve. Okay. Different. Do you understand the difference? The two one. The next one. The opening of the pulmonary artery and aorta are guarded by semilunar valve. Next one. The opening of pulmonary artery and aorta is guarded by semilunar valve. Semilunar valve. Okay. What is it? Three types of valve. Next is the opening of pulmonary artery. Okay. This is pulmonary artery and aorta. Okay. This aorta are guarded by semilunar valve. What is the meaning of semilunar valve? Semilunar valve means Harichandra valve அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. It is guarded by semilunar valve. So what is the three type of valve? The first one, the heart is divided into 4 chamber, 2 auricle and 2 ventricle. Okay. The right auricle and left auricle is separated by interauricular septum. Next, the right ventricle and left ventricle is separated by interventricular septum. Next, the right auricle open into the right ventricle. It is guarded by tricuspid valve. Next one, the left auricle open to the left ventricle. It is guarded by bicuspid valve or mitral valve. Next, the opening of the pulmonary artery. Another one, aorta is guarded by semilunar valve. So the next one, learn. Next, the right auricle receive the deoxygenated blood. Okay. Next is the right auricle receive deoxygenated blood. Receive deoxygenated. What is the meaning of deoxygenated? Deoxygenated means removal of oxygen. Adula enna irukadhu appadina oxygen irukadhu. That is called deoxygenated blood. Okay. From the right auricle receive deoxygenated blood from 3 superior vena cava and 1 inferior vena cava. Okay. 2 superior vena cava. Next one inferior vena cava. It is very, important. For me, right auricle receive deoxygenated blood from the 2 superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, veins from all parts of the body. Okay, veins from all parts of the body. All parts of the body. Okay, do you understand the right auricle? Where is right auricle present? The right auricle receive deoxygenated blood from 2 superior vena cava and the 2 precaval veins. Okay. So next one inferior vena cava from vein from all parts of the body. The next one, the left auricle. Next, the left auricle. What is the meaning of left auricle? The left auricle. This is left auricle. This is the right auricle. This is left auricle. Left auricle receive oxygenated blood from pulmonary vein. Okay. Receive oxygenated blood from lungs. Pulmonary vein. Okay. It is not a pulmonary artery. Pulmonary vein from the lungs. Enga irundhu pogum blood? Lungs. So the left auricle receive the oxygenated blood from the left auricle receive oxygenated from the pulmonary vein. This is the pulmonary vein. Okay. So next one, the from right ventricle carry the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Okay. The right ventricle carry the deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated. The right ventricle carry the deoxygenated blood go to the lungs. The next one, the aorta. What is the meaning of systemic cord? This is the systemic cord aorta. Okay. What is the meaning of aorta? Aorta na Tamil perundhamani solluvaanga. Aorta is receive the aorta supply the oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. Okay. This is aorta. Aorta supply the oxygenated blood. Supply oxygenated blood from all parts of the body. Okay. Okay, students. What is circulatory system? Circulatory system is made up of blood vessels and heart. How many chambers? 4 chambers. Right auricle, 2 right auricle and 2 right auricle, right ventricle and left ventricle. Okay. Right auricle and right ventricle is bordered by tricuspid wall. Left auricle is bordered by mitral wall. The next one, the right auricle receives the deoxygenated blood from the 3 veins. That is the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Next, left ventricle receives the oxygenated blood from the lungs from pulmonary vein. So next one, the right ventricle receives the deoxygenated blood go to the lungs for the purification. The next one, aorta supply the oxygenated blood from all parts of to all parts of the body. Okay, do you understand the circulatory system of rabbit? Okay, shall we pass on the next one? Urinogenital system. Next one, urinogenital system. What is the meaning of urinogenital system? Urinogenital system means it comprises the reproductive system and excretory system. It is called urinogenital system. Okay. Next, urinogenital. What is the meaning of urinogenital? It comprises the excretory system, and reproductive system. Okay. First, see the excretory system of rabbit. Okay. Each kidney is made up of many nephrons. What is the meaning of nephron? Each kidney, that is the excretory organ, kidney. Each kidney is made up of several nephrons. What is nephron? Nephron is a functional unit of kidney. It is very, very important one word. Notice what is nephron? Nephron is a functional unit of kidney. What is the use of the kidney? It separates the nitrogenous waste from blood. Okay, what is the use of kidney? It separates the nitrogenous waste from blood. It separates nitrogenous waste from blood in the form of urea. Okay, it is in the form, it excretes in the form of urea. That is called urine. Why it is called urine? Urea is present, so it is called as urine. Okay, they excrete in the form of urea. Urine. Okay, next one. What is kidney? This is kidney. For example, this is normal kidney structure. Okay, how many kidney? Pair of kidney, right kidney and left kidney is present. It is which color? It's a dark red in color and pin shaped. Okay, which color? Dark red in color, and bean shaped. What is the meaning of bean shaped? That is called bean shaped kidney. Okay, where is this located? It's situated in the abdominal cavity. Okay, it is situated in the abdominal cavity. From each kidney arises the ureters. What is the meaning of ureters? This is ureter. Each kidney arises the ureters is present. Okay, next one, and the ureters is directly open to the urinary bladder. What is the meaning of urinary bladder? Urinary bladder store the urine, that is called store பண்ணி வைக்க உதவு, that is called urinary bladder. சிறுநீரக பைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, that is called urinary bladder. So next one, urinary bladder directly is open to the small thick wall is called urethra. Okay, what is urethra? This is urethra. The small duct is called urethra. What is the use of the urethra? Excrete the urine. This is called urethra. Okay, do you understand that? Excretory system, excretory organ, excretory organ, kidney. Kidney is made up of several nephron. What is nephron? Nephron is a functional unit of kidney. What is the use of kidney? What is the use of kidney? It separates the nitrogenous waste from blood. Okay, excrete in the form of urea. Why it is called urea? Urea is present, so it is called urine. Okay, so next one, what is shape? The bean shape is a red color. Each kidney is arranged as a ureter. Okay, the urinary bladder is present. Next, the small urinary bladder leads to the small median duct is called urethra is present. Okay, do you understand the excretory system? So next we see the reproductive system. What is the meaning of reproductive system? Reproductive system of rabbit in sexes are separate or morphologically different. Okay, sexes are separate and morphologically different. Morphologically different. The female reproductive system and male reproductive system is separate. Okay, first we see the male reproductive system. Male reproductive okay. Male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes. How many testes? Pair of testes. Pair of testes. Okay. This is another one. The pair of testes. Okay. The testes are enclosed by scrotal sac. Okay. The testes are enclosed by scrotal sac. The small seminiferous, the small fine tubules present, that is called seminiferous tubule. The small fine tubules present, the fine tubules is called seminiferous. Seminiferous tubule. Okay, this seminiferous tubules leads to a small coiled-like structure is called epididymis. Okay, the small coiled-like structure is called epididymis. Epididymis. What is the use of the epididymis? To store spermatozoa. What is the use of epididymis? To store spermatozoa. To store spermatozoa. Okay. So next part, last one, vas deferens. The small duct is called vas deferens. Okay, vas deferens. The next one, there are three accessory glands is present. What are the three accessory glands? Prostate gland, Cowper gland, and perineal gland. The first one, prostate gland. Three accessory glands is present. The first one, prostate gland. So next one, Cowper gland. Last one, perineal gland. Perineal gland. This gland is involved in reproduction process. What is the use of the gland? It is involved in reproduction process. Involved in reproduction process. Okay. What is the three types of gland? Prostate gland, Cowper gland. What is the prostate gland? The first gland is called prostate gland. So next one, Cowper gland. So next one, perineal gland is present in the male reproductive system. Okay. Do you understand the male reproductive system? Male reproductive system is consist of pair of testes. The testes are ovoid in shape. Okay. Next one, the next part is the first one, the small seminiferous tubule is called vas deferentia. epididymis is present. What is the use of epididymis? It stores spermatozoa. Next, it leads to a small duct is called os efferents. So next one, 3 accessory glands present. What is the use of the 3 accessory glands? It involved in reproduction. So the next one, female reproductive system. Female reproductive system. Female reproductive system. The female reproductive system is consists of pair of ovaries. Okay, how many ovaries? Pair of ovaries. Ovaries are ovoid in shape. Ovoid in shape. What is the shape? The ovoid in shape. Next, where is located? That is located behind the kidney. That is located. That is located behind the kidney. Behind the kidney. Okay. So next one important point. A pair of oviduct is present. What is that? A pair of oviduct. The anterior part of the oviduct is called fallopian tube. Okay. Fallopian tube. Fallopian tube. The pair of oviduct is present. Okay. The anterior part of the oviduct is called fallopian tube. This fallopian tube is very, very important. Okay. It leads to a wider tube is called vagina. Okay. The wide leads to a wider part is called vagina. So next one, the last part one, the uterus is present. Wider tube is a uterus. The uterus leads to the next part, vagina. A pair of Cowper gland and perineal gland is present in the main important class. What are the type of a pair of Cowper gland and perineal gland? Perineal gland is present in the female reproductive system. What is the use of the both gland, the two glands? It involved in reproduction process. Okay, these are the main important points of the female reproductive system. Okay, children, what to learn today? Today class, first we see the circulatory system, the daily. Okay, next one, reproductive system. Reproductive system is comprises the excretory system and reproductive system. Okay, first we see the next we see the reproductive excretory system. What is the excretory organ? Kidney. Kidney is made up of nephron. Okay, already you know. So next one, male reproductive system. What is the which one is a male reproductive organ? Testis. Which one is a female reproductive organ? Ovary. How many ovary? Pair of ovary and pair of testes is present. Okay, these are the main important points of the reproductive system. Today homework, explain the circulatory system of rabbit. Explain the circulatory system of rabbit. Explain the circulatory system of rabbit. Okay, thank you students.